everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and I just thought I would show you our tablescape for Halloween this year. So as you can see, I've gone for a bit of a black and white spooky theme. I have my place settings here. I'll give you an overall look. It's a bit hard to get it all in. It's quite a big table. But I'm actually really loving this setup this year. So what we have as a place setting, I have my Kmart just plain black placemats. I've got my DIY charger plates sitting on top of that. I have my Kmart black, to me they look like a bit of a skeleton bone vibe, so that's why I actually bought them for my Halloween plates. So then sitting on top of that, I have my black Kmart napkins and a little skull, and then next to that we have our skull drinking mug. So each setting is the same, so we've got a setting of 4. So what I've done as far as the table goes, I've just bought some cheap black material from Spotlight because it's very hard to actually find a tablecloth that fits our table because it's so big. I think our table's about 140 centimeters wide by about 250 centimeters long, so it's pretty big. So what I've actually done is just got a black piece of material from Spotlight, and I think it was like the cheapest sort of black material they had. It was like $2 a meter or something like that. And then I've just got a piece of the orange material, same deal, $2 a meter, and just put that as sort of a center piece down the middle. And that way it sets off this perfect looking branch that I found on our property. And yeah, I'm actually just loving it. I hope it's actually coming off on camera. It's kind of hard to sort of see it, but it's just a branch I found lying on the floor. I spray painted it black and it just sits up perfectly, like just all the branches on it makes it sit up perfectly. It's the perfect width, the perfect length. I absolutely love it. And if there's some way I can try and save it and salvage it for next year, I will be doing that as well. Because I actually bought from eBay a packet of crows. Like I think there was about 6 little sort of realistic looking crows that I was hoping to put sort of in amongst the branches, but unfortunately they haven't arrived as yet. If they do end up coming before Halloween is over, I'll set them up and do another quick little show and tell of the table. But yeah, I'm just loving this branch. It's just so perfectly spooky looking and it just fits the table really well. So yeah, that's our table setup for this year. I haven't let anyone eat off it yet because I was just, trying to get this little video out to you guys before they go and mess it all up. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I hope it gives you some ideas or inspiration for your own decoration. Like I said, you don't always have to buy store-bought things. Sometimes out in nature, you can find the perfect thing you're looking for, which for me, this was it this year. I'm just absolutely loving it. So yeah, next up will be a full sort of tour of our living areas. You've probably seen sneak peeks in the background of this one, but I've just got one more little project, which is my witch's hat that I want to finish off today, and then I'll give you a full tour of our kitchen and the rest of our living areas. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I've got a couple more Halloween room decor, room tours for you guys. Well, not probably just one more room tour and a couple more Halloween DIYs. And then that's pretty much it for this year. Then I'll be starting on Christmas stuff. So yeah, if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Press that little red button at the bottom, and that will sort of notify you of when I have new videos coming out. And if you do like my channel, make sure you share it with your friends so that they can enjoy it too. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video.